Steroid injection is a common treatment for arthritis of the knee to reduce knee pain, but a new study proves that these injections actually worsen the underlying arthritis. Today I go over the new study that breaks down the bad news on steroids and what you should do instead. Doctors have always known that arthritis plus more activity equals worse arthritis. So in theory, steroid injection could make your knee arthritis worse by making you more active with reduced healing. Well, that's not a theory anymore. A new study from the University of California at San Francisco used magnetic resonance imaging to show conclusive evidence that while steroid injections do relieve knee pain, they make the underlying arthritis worse. Yikes. There was never a question that steroids are dirty drugs with legendary side effects, but they worked well to reduce pain. Skeptics have long pointed out that there's no fountain of youth, and covering up pain only usually leads to more harm. Well, once again, it seems if something is too good to be true, it probably isn't. But where does that leave people with severe knee pain? The answer is hyaluronic acid, also known as Synvisc. Hyaluronic acid is a liquid preparation that has chemical features with similar viscosity to synovial fluid, the naturally occurring fluid that lubricates your knee joint. Indeed, in the same study, hyaluronic acid was shown to relieve knee pain without worsening the MRI features of arthritis. Doctors don't typically react to a single study in case there's an error, but a very similar work using X-ray instead of MRI this same month showed the exact same thing. Taken together, there is convincing evidence now that steroid injections in the knee make arthritis worse. Get hyaluronic acid injection instead. For best practice, I'm Dr. Dan Lieberman. If you have a question you would like answered on Best Practice Live, click the link to our website and complete the submission form. The more information you can give us, the better we can answer your question. So please contact us and we can walk you through uploading your imaging to a secure server. Please like and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with information about your spine and joint health.